Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed some more problems in a sheet 1. Let us discuss some more problems from 10. So, 10th problem. The equation of the directrix equation of the directrix to the parabola y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the is the equation of the directrix to the parabola y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. Now take the given parabola y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. Then rearrange y square minus 6y equal to 2x plus 5. Again next step, y square minus the 6y is written as 2 into y into 3. Again 3 square should be added LHS and RHS. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square. By adding 3 square on both sides, the result doesn't change. So it is y minus 3 whole square. This is 2x, right? 2x plus 5 plus 9, 14. 2x plus 14. Y minus 3 whole square equal to 2. Take the 2 as a common. X minus of minus 7. Why? Because 2 into x, 2x, minus into minus plus. 2 sevens are 14. So compare with y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. It is a one of the parabola y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Here h comma k equal to h comma k. What is the h value? Minus 7 comma h value 3. Okay, and 4a LLR equal to 4a. In the place of 4a, which is there? 2. That means a equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 1 by 2. Now we need directrix. Just observe, this is y square equal to 4. For example, for parabola y square is equal to 4ax. This is y square is equal to 4x. This is the shape of the parabola of y square is equal to 4ax. This is a comma 0. This is directrix z minus a comma 0. Minus a comma 0. And x equal to minus a. X equal to minus a. This is the equation of the directrix x equal to minus a. But it is in the form of y minus k whole square equal to 4 into x minus a. So h comma k should be added to the x and y coordinates. So for this x is equal to minus a, the directrix of the y square is equal to minus y square is equal to 4x. But the directrix of the equation of the directrix of y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h is equal to x equal to minus a plus h. Minus a plus h. H should be added to the x value. K should be added to the y value for the directrix of the parabolas. Now, direct equation of directrix equal to x equal to minus a plus h. This is the okay now. X equal to minus a plus h. What value should it have? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. What is the value of h? Minus 7 plus into minus minus. After the simplification, minus 15 by 2. That means 2 into x, 2x, minus 15 becomes plus 15. So we got equation of the directrix. The equation of the directrix to the parabola y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. So here, this is the equation of the parabola y square minus 2x minus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. So after the rearrangement, we got y minus 3 whole square equal to 2 into x minus of minus 7. Why? Because minus into minus plus 2 7s are 14. So here minus 3 square should be added to the on both sides for getting and for simplification. So compare with y minus k whole square 4 into x minus 8 to the y minus 3 whole square equal to 2 into x minus of minus. H comma k means minus 7 comma 3. LLR for any parabola, LLR equal to 4a. In the place of 4a, which one is there? 2 is there. Then a equal to 1 by 2. Equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix to the form of y minus k. You have already known y minus k whole square equal to 4 into x minus h. This is x equal to minus a plus h. What is the a value? Minus 1 by 2 minus 7. So minus 15 by 2. So we got the equation, not value, equation. So by the transposition, 2 into x, 2x plus minus 15 becomes plus 15. So 2x plus 15 is the equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. What we got? Equation of the directrix. Equation equal to 2x plus 15. Okay? 2x plus 15. You can write equal to 0. Nothing. Equal to 2x plus 15 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So this is the problem of 10th. Now Here matrix match type is given. So we can do one or two problems. In 11th problem, one side here in column 1 parabolas are given, and in column 2 vertex of the parabolas are given. So we have to match and A. In 11 A, y square plus 2x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Find h comma k. That means find vertex h comma k. Now take the parabola y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Take the rearrangement y square minus 2y equal to minus 4x minus 3. Okay? Y square minus 2a, right, b plus b square equal to minus 4x minus 3 plus 1 square. Change as y square minus 2a, y square 2a 2y into 1 plus y square. It is y minus 1 whole square. It is minus 4x, this is minus 2, minus 4x minus 2, y minus 1 whole square equal to minus 4 common, and x plus x minus y minus 1 whole square minus 4x minus 2. Here minus 4 take out as a common. Here minus 4 into x minus 4x minus into here plus into minus minus plus into minus minus. Sorry, take minus only. Minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. Minus 4x minus 2 is written as, why? Because minus 4 into x minus 4x, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. 4 into 2 by 4, 4 cancel. What is the remaining one? 2. Because here 2. So you are trying to get the form of the parabola. Compare with y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a into minus 4a x minus h. We have a parabola y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. So compare with now. What is the here h comma k equal to, what is the h value? Minus 2 by 4. That means minus 1 by 2. What is the k value? 1. We got the answer. Y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equals 0. Find vertex h comma k. Okay. After rearrangement, we got y minus 1 whole square minus 4x minus 2. Okay. For getting the parabola form, minus 4 should be common. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x. Here, minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. 4 into 2 by 4. 4 into 2 by 4 means 2. So, compare it. Y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus h. H value 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means minus 2 by 4. That means minus 1 by 2 come. K value here 1. Which is vertex h comma k equal to minus 1 by 2 comma 1. Last one, D. X square plus 12x minus 9y equal to 0. Find vertex h comma k. X square plus 12x minus 9y equal to 0. X square plus 12x equal to 9y. Minus 9y becomes 9y. X square plus 2 into x into 6. Add 6 square. 9y plus 6 square. It is x plus a square plus 2ab plus b square, x plus 6 whole square. This is 9 comma y plus 4. Why? Because 6 square means 36. So after 9 into y, 9y, 9 4s are 36. Again change as x minus of minus 6 whole square, 9 into y minus of minus 4. Okay, compare with 9 into y, 9y, minus into minus plus 9 into 4, 36. Okay, compare with x minus h all square 4a into y minus k. Now vertex h comma k equal to, what is the h value? Minus 6. What is the k value? Minus 4. Okay, for D we have to match to the P minus 6 comma minus 4. So we got the answer. So for the parabola x square plus 12x minus 9y equal to 0, the vertex of the parabola h comma k equal to minus 6 comma minus 4. So remaining B and C you have to do and write in notes. Twelfth problem. The focal distance of the point. The focal distance of the point 4, 2 on the parabola on the parabola x square equal to 8y. Point P, I think x1 y1 equal to 4 comma 2. What is the parabola? The given parabola x square equal to 8y. Now LLR of any parabola equal to 4a equal to 8. I think a equal to 2. We got a. Now the focal distance of the point P 4 comma 2 on the parabola x square equal to 8y. The focal distance equal to x square is equal to 8y. But it is in the form of x square is equal to x square is equal to 4ay in the form of x square is equal to 4ay. Okay, take the shape of the parabola. This is this is x square equal to 4ay. That means this is the parabola. Okay. Now the focal distance is y1 plus a. y1 plus a. What is the y1 value here? 2. What is the a value? 2. That means 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. You know that focal distance SP equal to PM. Already we learned the focal distance SP equal to PM. SP equal to NZ. NZ means NA and SZ. NA and SZ. That means x1 plus a. For the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. The focal distance x1 plus a. For the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. This is x. Here x na we have to take the focal distance x1 plus a. Here y. That's why y1 plus a. y1 plus a. It is on the parabola is on y axis. But it is another parabola. This is y square is equal to 4ax. The parabola on the x axis. So the focal length is focal distance equal to x1 plus a. x1 plus a. The focal distance of y square is equal to 4ax. x1 plus a. Here what is given? X square is equal to 8y. That means x square is equal to 4ay. This is y. That's why y1 plus a. y1 value 2 and a value 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Thirteenth problem. The eccentricity of the parabola y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. So eccentricity means SP equal to PM. We know that SP by PM equal to E. The ratio of SP and PM. SP by PM equal to E. E means eccentricity. equal to 1, if eccentricity E equal to 1, then the curve is called parabola. So we can say that the eccentricity of all parabolas is 1. For any parabola, the eccentricity is 1. So that is the condition of the parabola. SP by PM equal to E. So if E equal to 1, the curve is called parabola. So the eccentricity of the any parabola E equal to 1. E equal to 1. 13th problem. The eccentricity of the parabola y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0 is 1. SP by PM equal to E. If E equal to 1, then the curve is called parabola. Okay. This is the condition of the parabola SP by M equal to E. If E equal to 1, then curve is parabola. Okay. 14th question. For the parabola y square equal to 8x, so we have to determine vertex, focus, and eccentricity, and equation of the directrix is 13th problem. 14th problem. For the parabola y square equal to 8x. So we have to calculate vertex. First one, Roman number 1, vertex. Vertex of the parabolas for y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay. All these four parabolas having the vertex 0, 0, 0. For example, take the first. This is the vertex 0, 0. This is vertex 0, 0. So it is also 0. It is also 0, 0. It is all are 0, 0. The vertex of any parabola like y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4ax, and x square is equal to 4ay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay. So it's vertex 0, 0. This is and vertex equal to 0, 0. Next one, eccentricity. In the previous problem, I told eccentricity of any parabola is 1. Why? Because the condition of the parabola SP by PM equal to 1. It is E equal to 1. That is parabola, and E less than 1. Ellipse, and E greater than 1. Hyperbola, and equal to 1 for the parabola. Eccentricity of parabola equal to 1. That means SP by PM equal to E. The condition E should be 1 for any parabola. So next third one, focus A comma 0. Okay, take the diagram. Y square is equal to 4x. That is, this is the shape of y square is equal to 4x. Now focus here A comma 0, and we don't know A. For example, y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 4ax. Compare it. Y square is equal to 8x. Compare it. Y square is equal to 4ax. In the place of 4a, 8 is there. 4a equal to 8. A equal to 2. What is the value of A? 8. So 2 comma 0. Now write here in the box. Identical equal to y square is equal to ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. So compare with 4a equal to 8, a equal to 2. Now focus A comma 0, 2 comma 0. And next one, equation of the directrix. This is third one. Equation of the directrix. Okay, again take the diagrams. Okay, this is the diagram. Okay, this is focus A comma 0. This is line of, this is equation of the directrix. This is line L equal to 0. This is point and directrix Z. That means A comma 0. This is positive values. This is x axis. Sorry, this is y axis. This is x axis. This is positive value. This is our negative value. So why? Because here A comma 0. Here minus A comma 0. That's why here the point on directrix. Minus A comma 0. That's why x equal to minus A. That means x plus A equal to 0. Here directrix. So minus A comma 0. The point on directrix. So what is the x value here? Minus A. That's why x equal to minus A in the form of, by the transformation, x plus A equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix of the given parabola. X plus A equal to 0. So for the parabola y square is equal to 8x, let x 0 comma 0. Eccentricity of any parabola equal to 1, and this is the condition of the parabola. Focus A comma 0 equal to A means y square is equal to 8x. Getting A equal to 2. So 2 comma 0. The equation of the directrix. So this is the diagram. This is A comma 0. Focus. The point on directrix minus A comma 0. So it is x equal to minus A. X plus A equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. Now fifteenth problem. The equation x square y square minus 2xy square minus 3y square 12y equal to 0 represents okay, take again the equation x square y square minus 2x y square minus 3y square minus 4x square y square plus 8xy plus 12y equal to 0. Okay, here in the three terms y square should be the common one. Here x square minus 2x minus 3 and here 4 again minus x square y square plus 8xy plus 12 equal to 0. So what should be common here? If you take 4, here x square y square and 8xy plus 12y equal to 0. Okay, it is not y square. 4y should be common take. So we write square, but it is not a square. 4y equal to here 4y, 4y, here also 4y. This is x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Look at once. 4y into x square minus 4y into x square minus x square y minus into minus plus 4y into 2x 8xy minus into minus plus 4y into 3 12y. Okay, so observe what is the common expression here? X square minus 2x minus 3 is the common expression, and here remaining y square minus 4y equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Change quadratic equation like x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. We can write x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. So minus 3x plus x, it is minus 2x. So x is the common one, x minus 3, and 1 is the common, x minus 3. Again, what is the common expression here? X minus 3 and x plus 1. So the quadratic equation, the product of two expressions, x square minus 2x minus 3 is the product of two expressions, x minus 3 into x plus 1. Okay, write in the place of x square minus 2x minus 3, x minus 3, x plus 1, and this is take common y, and y minus 4 equal to 0. So now we have a four straight lines. Y equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. That means x equal to 3 and x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 and y minus 4 equal to 0 and y equal to 4. We got four straight lines. Y equal to 0, x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 4. These are four straight lines. The set of four straight lines make a circle. It is a equation of the circle. The four straight lines. These are straight lines. So we take square. This is the square. Y equal to 4 is a straight line. X is equal to 3 is also straight line. X is equal to minus 1 is also straight line. Y is equal to 4. Here four straight lines. So what is the represent a set of four lines forming a square. So we have to write here. We got four straight lines equations. Four straight lines equations like y equal to 0, x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 4. So we can write here a set of four lines forming a square. Okay students, we have completed up to 15 problems. Remaining sums let us discuss in next class.